So, let's hear what Chief Sunday Igboho said with the audio he released yesterday, and that has dosed off all the tension that was coming out from Ekiti State. And there's nobody have to be worried about either some people are fighting each other. No, nobody's fighting each other. They are all one, and they will work together to make the rally on the 5th of August, 5th of June a very successful one. Let's hear what Chief Sunday Igboho has to say. Let's connect the speaker properly again. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí akí gbogbo yín níbi tí ẹ ti láǹfààní àti máa gbọ́ wa tẹ̀dẹ̀ tí ń wò wá.
Mo bá bẹ̀ lábẹ́ wọn pátápátá. Mo lè kí ẹ̀yin brọ́dà mi, mo kí ẹ̀yin sísítà mi, mo kí ẹ̀yin bàbá, mo kí ẹ̀yin mọ̀mọ́ mi, mo kí Olúwa àgbáyé.
Okay, I might have to, I know why it's not coming up properly. So I'm going to have to, because the WhatsApp works tirelessly. So what I'm going to do, I've reset the WhatsApp again. And then
ẹ káàsán o, kábíyèsí o, ẹ̀yin màmá mi o, ẹ̀yin màmá mi, ẹ̀yin bàbá mi o. Orúkọ mi ni Sunday Adéyẹmọ aka Sunday Igboho. Mo kí kábíyèsí wa l'Ekiti, Alado àti gbogbo ọba tí ń bẹ lábẹ́ wọn pátápátá. Mo dẹ̀ kí ẹ̀yin brother mi, mo kí ẹ̀yin sister mi, mo kí ẹ̀yin bàbá, mo kí ẹ̀yin màmá mi. Mo kí Olúwa àgbáyé tó wà l'Ekiti. Ìbà yín o, ìbà yín o, ìbà Ọlọ́run. Mo rọ gbogbo ẹ̀yin brother mi tẹ́ ń bínú lórí ọ̀rọ̀ date tí a change sí on the 5. Ohun tó jẹ́ ká change ẹ̀ sí on the 5 ni pé June 12 wà ní on the 12. Ká máa ṣe gbogbo wa pátápátá àtẹ̀yìn náà gbogbo alájọ máa ṣe rally yẹn ní Abẹ́òkúta. So ìdí nìyí tí mo fi sọ mọ́ Èkìtì pé kọ́ mọ̀ jẹ́ ká mú on the 12 torí pé June 12 rally wà o ó dẹ̀ máa lárinrin gan ní Ogun State náà dẹ̀ fi sí gbogbo Yorùbá pátápátá. So ìdí tí mo fi ní kàn change ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ẹ dákun mo fọ alálẹ̀ bẹ̀yìn èmi mo change date yẹn sí on the 5 mo bẹ̀yìn ẹ dákun ẹ dáríjì mi. Ẹ dáríjì mi Sunday Igboho ni mo ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí ẹ dáríjì mi mo change date yẹn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ má jẹ́ ká bínú síra má jẹ́ ká bára wa jà ẹ jẹ́ ká síra lọ́kàn kájọ délẹ̀ lérí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fọlọ́n bẹ̀ mo fọ alálẹ̀ bẹ̀ ẹ dákun ẹ má bínú ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ká ní fídíò ni mo ṣe ní ẹ̀rẹ́ poli dọ̀bálẹ̀ ni mo wà mo bẹ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ dákun èmi mo change date yẹn sí on the 5 torí pé June 12 rally wà ní Abẹ́òkúta ẹ ti gbọ́ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fọlọ́n bẹ̀ ẹ dákun ẹ bá ń dáríjì bàbá Èkìtì ẹ dáríjì ẹ jẹ́ ká dáríjì ra wa kẹ̀kẹ́ náà gbogbo wa má jẹ́ ká bára wa jà ẹ jẹ́ ká síra wa lọ́kàn kájọ délẹ̀ lérí ojú òde ní ti gbogbo wa ilé òní mú wa ọ̀dàlẹ̀ lójú ó tì àwọn tó là ní délẹ̀ lérí lójú ó tì àwọn tó fẹ́ dàní wa lójú ó tì ẹ dákun ẹ má jẹ́ ká ní wọ́n dàrú ẹja sẹ́ra wa lọ́kàn kọ́mọ̀ pé kò tán di wọn ẹjọ́ àwọn tó làwọn fẹ́ gba Yorùbá ní sẹ́sẹ̀ náà ti ń bára wọn jà yẹn èso oníwà ni wa ẹjọ́ èso láàlú ó lé oríta èso mọ́sẹ̀mí ọmọ èlò èso mọ́sọ̀mọ́ ẹlòmíì gan mọ́sọ̀ nìkan kanú gbogbo wa ṣe gbogbo wa lọ́rẹ̀ ara wa ní kájọ délẹ̀ lérí àjọ délẹ̀ lérí lágbára Ọlọ́run ojú òní tí wàá dàlẹ̀ lójú ó tì ẹ ṣé orúkọ mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ní Sunday Igboho ẹjọ́ ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ ẹ má bínú ẹjọ́.
Ohun bàbá wa Chief Sunday Igboho òun ni ẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn adẹ ó pé the whole situation has now been resolved as well. So anyone that is still trying to call on that, I won't tolerate that. Let us move on. Baba ti sọ̀rọ̀. Ekiti State rally will hold on the 5th of August, just as we've been promoting it, and there's nothing wrong in that as well. And tó bá rò pé Intagbedani was not a spiritual fight. It was more of a spiritual fight than the physical side. And that is why you see all kind of people saying àti rí oríṣiríṣi ìran, and they are right, because in tọ́lọ̀ fi wọ́n òun ló ń sọ jáde. But let's play the anthem. Àgbọ̀n kan tí kábíyèsí wa sọ Ọ̀jájá the second Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ti ń débi tẹ́ ẹ̀ka dé. Níjọ́ Sunday a rí tí àwọn ẹgbẹ́kẹ́gbẹ́ àwọn ẹgbẹ́ amúgbó tó ń pinna wọn ní APC thinking that they still have the right on us. Àwọn bàbá tó yẹ kọ́ ti gbàgàmù sẹ́gbẹ́ kan nígbà tí mo wo màmá wa Yèyé Dára lánàá. Àwọn bàbá yẹn ṣé àwọn bàbá yẹn ló ti máa àwọn bàbá tó lè jẹ́ kankan tán. They think they still have the power. But wọ́n ti gbàgbé pé Ọlọ́run ti gbàgbára kúrò lọ́wọ́ wọn. Àwọn ọ̀nà Ọlọ́run gbàgbára fáwa, but ó gbàgbára kúrò lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn tẹ̀yìn ń pè ní alágbára, whether they are the Tinubus, the governors, the senators, the House of Rep, until they come back and realize that in táwa ń jà fún is what is the right thing, and we must fight it to the end. So some of them might not understand, but the message is already with them. Message afẹ́ kọ́ gbọ́ pé àwa ọmọ káàárọ̀ òjíire, àwa ọmọ Yorùbá, àwa ọmọ adúláwọ̀, àwa tá à ní gbà. Forget about the money that they have. wọ́n ò lè fi owó yẹn ra iyì, wọ́n ò lè fi owó yẹn ra in tó wà nílẹ̀. They might throw all the resources that they have into this, but they cannot win the battle because the battle has been won already. Some people will say, but you are still inside Nigeria. As you know, Nigeria, when the whole temperature rise again, the whole system will shut down completely. And those that you think are the powerful people within the society will be the first people to run out of that system. Let's play the anthem. But let me say this clearly. The people that you think are the leaders, are the elders, the power is no longer in their hands. The power has been taken away from them. And there's no doubt about that. Oh, the Mix LR. Emma Binu, let me start that quickly. Yes, we need to start the Mix LR because we have a lot of our people that we want them to save money. The Mix LR is a system just like a radio station. And it's not the radio station. Mix LR, we've been using that since last year. And I say thank you very much. Donate to Koiki Media. These are part of what we pay for every month, even though we've not been using it for a very long time. But let me print the title quickly, and then we will start the Mix LR. It saves money as well. Yoruba Nation Now is what we are discussing. Now, no going back. Agbára tẹ́yin rò pé wọ́n níyẹn, Ọlọ́run lòun lòun ní agbára. Ó ní òun lòun dá wọn. Kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tọ́lọ́run dá tí kò lè mú. So when people think that the people like, you know, the big guns, you call them the big guns, nítorí pé àwọn kó ìbọn àti security, tó bá bí àwọn dá, tó bá bí wọn dá, kó dárìn fúnra wọn. If they were truly a son and daughters of the Yorubas, and they've done the best thing for the Yoruba, since Yoruba has been shouting, not today, àwọn kan ti gbàbọ̀dì ní. But they thought they still have the power in their hands. But when we all rise up and we spoke with one word, Yoruba Nation Now, we started seeing them talking about the 1999 Constitution. Because now, the Fulani Caliphate is telling all the Yoruba politicians, ẹ lọ dá àwọn ọmọ yín dúró, àwọn ọmọ yín tó ń pariwo lójoojúmọ́ pa máa pín Nàìjíríà, a fẹ́ pín Nàìjíríà o, gbogbo tẹ́ bá fẹ́, gbogbo wọ́n wá ń bẹ̀bẹ̀. Oh, you don't know that they are playing games on us now. You see them talking about, you know, constitutional review. Kódà ẹlẹ́nu Yabara Tinubu yẹn ìyàwó ẹ̀ kò mọ̀rọ̀ sọ. Ìtorí pé they are so proud. Àwọn ti rò pé àwọn nìkan tó bá tó àsìkò òun fúnra rẹ̀ gan ní lè sí nínú ilẹ̀ Yorùbá because ó máa gbóná mọ́ gbogbo wọn ni. Tí kò bá ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, a máa pèèyàn kan ní tug. Ìyẹn ìyàwó Tinubu. I'm sure you saw the video. I'll play it before the end of the show. But now they realize that the Yorubas are not the Igbo. The Yorubas are not the Middle Belt. I'm not saying the Igbos and the Middle Belt are not special being as well. Àwa là ń sọ̀rọ̀ nísìn. Tí Yorùbá bá sọ pé òun fẹ́ kankan, kódà ẹni tó fẹ́ dá dúró pé kíní tó fẹ́ yẹn kò ní gbà. And we see that all the time. That is why the Oyinbo people, the white people respect us so much in Europe, in America. Nítorí pé tá bá ní determination pé ibi iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ́ àmọ́ bó ṣe ń lọ, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá kọ́kọ́ wọ London, èmi ò gbé l'America. But you know how it is. Kò sí ẹni tó lè sọ pé nílùú òyìnbó tó ò bá ní ìwé tẹ́lẹ̀ pé wọ́n bí ẹ síbẹ̀, you are a foreigner. Mọ̀mísí mi dẹ̀ máa ń sọ nǹkan kan pé ẹni tí wọ́n bá bí sí UK, you will go through immigration. It's not a disease, but one thing is, Ọlọ́run fún wa ní làákàyè. Kódà ẹlòmíì irọ́ kàǹbàkàǹbà tó gbélé síwájú home office nígbà tí gbogbo kíní ẹ̀ bá dán mọ́rán tán, àwa ní òun ti gba tóun fẹ́ gbà, àwa la lọ́gbọ́n, àwa la ní ìmọ̀. Àwọn náà tí wọ́n ń sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ wọ́n Nàìjíríà, wọ́n náà ní ọgbọ́n lọ́wọ́. Ọgbọ́n yẹn ló ti ń play nísìnyí. This agitation or this secessionist, somebody was asking me, what is the difference between secessionist and self-determination? I will explain that this afternoon as well. Because ẹlòmíì kan gbọ́ that word, kí ló tún pè ní secessionist? Why are they calling us secessionists? Why? Kí ló dé tó ṣe ń pè wá bẹ́ẹ̀? Èmi á ṣàlàyé fún yín. Because that is the only language they are trying to deceive the gullible Nigerians. Do you know that those are still thinking they are Nigerians? I was listening to my brother Mayegun. I listened to all the media presenters because I share knowledge from them as well. The last show, Mayegun, which was yesterday, and the truth is always there. Even those that are saying they are Nigerians, look, you are only deceiving yourself, because you cannot prosper in Nigeria of today. There's no doubt about it. You are only looking for opportunity to travel out and forget about Nigeria. But when you are still in Nigeria and they are deceiving you, I appreciate everyone watching us from Instagram. We are live on Instagram as well. 2 platforms on Instagram, 2 on Facebook. One of our Facebook has been down, Olayomi Koiki, for 30 days. I'm not worried. And we are live on YouTube, and we are live on MixLR. Ẹ mọ̀ pé tó bá jẹ́ pé a bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń pariwo, because ariwo là ń pa o, ẹ mọ̀ pariwo là ń pa. But before I go into it as well, for those that are in doubt of the upcoming rally in Ekiti, there's been a lot of bulala that is happening there. We are all one. Some have said so many things, but one thing I want to say is this is what Chief Sunday Igboho said in regard to the Ekiti, and that, I guess, have released and reduced that tension in Ekiti State. Ekiti State is one Yoruba town as well. Well, important people across Ekiti State, just like the remaining Yoruba town. Professor Ponibe, Ibeni Babawati Jade, Professor Banji Akintoye. And we have so many of them there, and they are all working tirelessly. I have said it so many times, and I'll repeat it again. Because it's state that we can say literally, we have every Yoruba state that people are working tirelessly day and night. Does not mean they are not working. And we must appreciate every one of them. So when people say that one state is better than the other because there's a particular person there, no, every state is important. But when we have people that have different mindset, but we give glory to God. And I'm going to play that audio, but I want to be careful. I'm not playing the wrong audio from different conversation between myself and my boss. I call him my boss. You know, he called me the coordinator. I'm talking about Chief Sunday Igboho. You are just going to kill yourself for nothing. Every person will have opportunity at some point. So when you hear that I have access to him and blah, 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 does not mean anything. I am just doing my own part. Chief is doing his own part. You want to play party anyway. So let me get that right before I start playing a different audio between myself and my boss. And I think okay, this is the one I'm looking for. Yeah, Mutiri. Now, Katomaba Etorelo. Again, Chief Sunday Igboho says there's no problem in Ekiti State and no one should be worried about the situation. Everything has been put under full control. And the rally will go ahead as planned. Sometimes people do not know we are live, so I'm going to mute my WhatsApp on the laptop. And that's why the sound is coming out.